Section 3.3, Example 6. A bookcase contains 6 different math books and 12 different biology books. In total, we have 6 plus 12. There are 18 books in total. If a student randomly selects 2 of these books, determine the probability they are both math or both biology books. We're going to look at our total ways first of all. We have 18 books and we want to select 2 of them. The order how we select those 2 books does not matter, so this is a combination. 18 C2 gives us the total number of ways to select 2 books from 18. There are 153 ways. Our favorable outcomes, we want the probability they are both math or both biology. So of our 6 different math books, we are looking to select 2 of them. Or, so we add, of the 12 different biology books, we're looking for the number of ways to select 2. 6C2 is 15, plus 12C2 is 66. There are 81 favorable ways to select 2 books where both are math or both are biology. Finally, our probability is favorable over total. 81 divided by our total, 153, and that gives us 52.9%.